Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, if that sounds interesting, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video, share with a few friends, and let them know what's up. So we're going to start off with DXY. As you can see here, prices has been ranging about here, right? And currently prices have been being rejected on this resistance structure, forcing prices to actually form a pattern down here. Um, and inverse head and shoulders. As you can see here, we have the left shoulder, we have the head, right? And then we got the right shoulder. Now, I do believe prices has a high potential of breaking above and continuing going higher. However, I'm not going to be taking any trades until prices do manage to break above here. And that is the reason because it's called a head and shoulders, and this is the neckline. So the neckline has to be broken first before we take any potential trades. But that is my bias. I'm expecting to see DXY be bullish. And how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? Obviously, we do know it's DXY is inversely correlated to the dollar. So we should be seeing prices sell off from here, right? Excuse me. GU, obviously, same thing, same thing. I'm expected to see prices drop, right? Now, with GU, I want to see prices break below here before we actually look for any entries. Unlike EU, with EU, you can see prices have already broken below here, but with GU, it's a different kind of story. So I'm anticipating to see prices first break below there before you actually see prices keep on going lower. We do have gold. I'm obviously anticipating to see prices sell off a bit. As you can see, prices already broke below that. So I'm anticipating to see some kind of a continuation until somewhere there. Yeah. And we do have USD JPY, which I'm anticipating to see prices be bullish because it's positively correlated to the dollar. Now, that's what I'm anticipating to see. So we do also have JPYX, which is another index that I'm currently looking at. As you can see, prices has also been ranging since the beginning of April. Currently, prices has broken below here. So I'm anticipating to see some kind of a continuation to the downside. And how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We have Euro JPY, where prices has actually broken above a market structure that has also been ranging all the way since March. So from here, I'm anticipating to see prices take off and keep on being bullish. And then we do have CAD JPY, which I'm also bullish bias. However, it's slightly different to this because I want to see prices break above that first, above that structure, before we actually see a continuation. So with that being said, those are the pairs I'm looking at. Those are the biases I'm having. And if you do find value in this video, kindly give us a like, share, subscribe, comment your biggest takeaway, and I'll see you in the next video. Hint, I'll be dropping a video this week as a continuation on our EA, and I'll let you know about it, guys. So till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Till then, let's have a killer week. Cheers.